like 4 of them.
You need to get down and go to your mama, you little guy. You need to get down and go to your mama. You're not gonna go up that pole. No, come on, little guy. Let's get you down. Come on, mama's over there. Get down. Hey. Hey. Get down. Go to your mama. You got a bigger stick? Let's go to your mama. Go to your mama. She's over there. Come on, get off the pole. Get off the pole and go to mama. This little guy's serious. Let's go to mama. I swear I think they fell out of there.
I did. I heard some ruckus and I was like, what the hell? I went just falling down anyways.
Go to your mama.
Come on, little guy.
Let me see. Oh, come on, you can't go up the power pole. No. We're gonna get you to your mama. Come on. Hang on, we're gonna go to mama. Mama's over here. Get you to mama right now. Look at that little guy. All right, got to get back to doing this shower.